First, we're gonna show you how to make mango chutney in few minutes. First of all, we need a hot pan. We need some oil. We need some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, some bay leaf. We're gonna type them in. Now we're gonna put some sugar, and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to add a little bit of vinegar to it. Now we're going to add our mangoes. It's fresh green mangoes. They're not ripe, they're not green, it's between really. Okay, now we're gonna let them cook a little bit. Viewers, have a look how beautiful they look. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon powder, cinnamon, and a little bit of coriander powder. Let them cook away, and they are getting nearly soft now. It don't take long. Viewers, my mango chutney is nearly ready. Now it's time to serve. My mango is soft and tender and beautiful, and now we're going to put it in a plate to serve. This is my beautiful mango chutney. Is ready to serve with the papadums or any other dish. It's beautiful, yummy, homemade mango chutney in 10 to 12 minutes. Thank you and enjoy.